Hello everybody, we are at Grand Teton National Park today with our girlies. We are attempting to do Cascade Canyon, which is one of our favorite hikes. We are at the Jenny Lake area. That's where you get on the shuttle, the boat shuttle. It's pretty crowded today, it's a Saturday, so who knows what the line is going to look like, but it's a really fun shuttle bus over, and then, or shuttle boat over, and then a cool hike. It's our favorite, I would say.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day. It's like 62 degrees or something in the sun. So this next hike that we are doing is the Phelps Lake hike, which is one of our favorite hikes. We came at it from a totally different direction, so we really don't know how much of it is actually going to be around the actual lake. We're kind of approaching it from the back. We came through the Death Canyon trailhead. Thank you. Which is quite the adventurous road. So you have to have a four-wheel drive road or car to get through it, but it's a really pretty day. Perfect temperature. Very overcast, but we think that the sun will probably burn most of this off, but it's gonna be a good one.
We're here in August and it's really pretty out. It's very green. We've had a decent amount of rain recently, so I'm very out of shape. I'm out of breath. I get it.
It's very, right now, there's not a lot of people out here, so it's very quiet, peaceful in here. You can hear birds. Our babies are making enough noise to scare all the wildlife away. But yeah, it feels like very, like Oregon, kind of Pacific Northwesty. So I like it. Okay, so here we have made it to the Phelps Lake Overlook, which is about 2 miles from the Death Canyon trailhead. This lake is what we were actually thinking we were gonna hike around, which we have done that hike before, and it's a really great hike. So it's much flatter, so if that's kind of more your jam, that's a great hike as well. But we are really enjoying this. We're gonna see if we can kind of hike down to the lake and then do a little bit of this. We have seen moose and marmots and wildlife around this lake. So, but the view up here is really special. So, 2 really good options.
So here's a little geology tidbit for those that care. So these lakes were formed probably between 50,000 and 15,000 or so years ago. And these canyons, all in the Tetons, were carved out by glaciers. And the glaciers were carving them out basically until about 15,000 years ago-ish. And you can tell that that's the way it is because you have these big U-shaped valleys. And U-shaped valleys are carved out by glaciers, and V-shaped valleys are carved out by rivers. And anyway, at the extent of the glacier, a lot of times you'll have a lake that forms. And so that's what this is. And on the other side of the lake, which I will show in a second, where the glacier is, what's the word I'm looking for? Anyway, at the end of the glacial extent, it forms it's called a moraine, and basically it's just a bunch of glacial sediment that's just deposited in one spot at the maximum extent of the glacier. And so it'll form sorry, I'm out of breath, I'm out of shape, as I said earlier. It'll form like a mound at the end, and it's pretty clear when you look across this lake that this lake was formed from a glacier.
So we are now back at the car. We made an understandable mistake, but we had a little backpack that had all of our stuff that we needed, like our snacks, formula for the girls. Crap. We had a little backpack that had all of the things that we needed, like our snacks and water and formula for the girls and diapers and wipes, and we forgot the actual bottles filled with water for the formula. So we hiked out probably 2.5 miles, something like that, and we were sitting down to feed the girls, and then we were going to continue on, and we realized we didn't have the bottles with us. So we had to turn around because girls gotta eat. So that is where we are. We're back at the car. But we're really glad that we did that hike. She's getting cranky.
Well, that bottle was clogged up. So
it looks like there's sun in her eyes, but there's actually not. It's just glaring on the camera. She does look like a little ghost. But yeah, we really enjoyed that hike. You could hike all the way down to Phelps Lake and go as far as you wanted. So we just decided to go find a nice place to sit and eat our packed lunch, which we just finished. So we are at the
Chapel of the Sacred Heart.
Thank you. In the Chapel of the Sacred Heart picnic area. And there's just a nice view of, this is Jackson Lake.
I think so.
Yeah. It's near like the Signal Mountain area. So there are some picnic benches, not super busy area or anything like that. So we are just sitting here. We ate our sandwiches, enjoying the views. Our girls are very tired from that hike this morning. So they are snoozing. We're just here relishing the pretty weather.
Wishing star, living with the dawn. I wish I could believe we've come so far, but the day is so long. I wish I could believe, wish I could believe, but we can't.